What if you could know how well your campaigns drove sales without waiting on anyone? That's Magpie. Ask yourself a simple question. Do you actually know how effective your campaigns are at driving sales? Right now, today, without putting in a request and waiting for someone to get back to you? If the answer is no, that's not a reflection on you. The system most marketers work inside is just broken. This is probably your reality. Your data lives in different places, and getting it to move means delays, dependencies, and blockers at every step between your customer data and the results you're trying to measure. Magpie brings the ideal state to marketers for the first time. It's a unified, multi-channel campaign intelligence workflow in one platform. And it removes the blockers and the dependence on other people so you don't have to wait. And it doesn't ask you to rip anything out. Your ESP stays, your CDP stays, your ad platforms stay. Magpie sits above all of it as the intelligence layer, orchestrating your campaigns and your data so you know what works without asking for help. Here's how it works, all built in. You build a segment from your real customer data, or pick one generated by AI. Configure the campaign with controlled testing already baked in, and activate that audience to any platform or export it to file. The moment the campaign completes, you see how well it drove sales, and you can surface AI insights or dig deeper with the assistant. From a single dashboard, you get a snapshot of campaign effectiveness over the last 12 months, with prioritized insights one click away. You can size and value AI-generated or custom segments instantly. Read the behavior signals that shape your strategy. Send any audience to any platform with a single click. And then see the actual sales lift each campaign produced. When you want to go further, the AI surfaces what to act on next, and you can ask the assistant anything about your data. All of it works inside your current MarTech stack, with built-in data mapping so you don't have to rename a single field before you integrate. Campaign intelligence without the wait. Get started at responselabs.com/magpie.